Might look like AI, but it's not. This is a MetaHuman created with Unreal Engine's MetaHuman creator, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own. So the first thing that you guys have to do is open Epic Games Launcher, then come to library, and here click on this icon, then options, and here you guys will see MetaHuman Creator Core Data. Enable it and then click on apply. Now it will download MetaHuman Creator Core Data. Wait for it to finish the installation. It depends on your internet. Now go ahead and create a new project. Once your project is created, then come to edit and plugins to open this menu, and here search for MetaHuman and enable all these plugins that are related to MetaHuman, and here it will tell you to restart Unreal Engine to apply all these plugins, so make sure to restart it by clicking on that restart button. Once it's restarted, come to content browser, right click and create a new folder. Here name it whatever you guys want. In my case I'm going to name it MetaHuman. Then open that folder, press right click, come down to MetaHuman and then click on MetaHuman character. Name it whatever you guys want. I'm going to name it character. Now press enter to open this file, and here you guys will see an error saying missing project settings. So to fix this error, just click on enable missing and Unreal Engine automatically enable the missing settings. Then just click on restart now to apply those settings. Once the project is restarted, open that file again, then come to presets tab. So for this video I'm going to be using a preset. If you guys want a tutorial on how to create your own MetaHuman using your own face and customize everything, let me know in the comments and I'll make one. But for now I'm going to use a preset. These are all the presets that you guys can use. In my case, for this video I'm going to use this preset, so double click on it to load this preset. Now to customize this character, come to the body section, and here you guys can use the blend option. The blend mode lets you combine 3 different characters to create a new body type. Each character contributes its physical traits, and Unreal Engine blends their proportions together to form a balanced realistic result. For this video I am not going to use the blend mode. In today's video we are going to take a look at models menu. Now these are the settings that you guys can use to customize this character. The global section lets you customize the overall body shape. Now these are all the settings that you guys need to customize your character. We got fat, height, we got upper torso settings, lower torso, neck, arms, etc. All the settings that you guys need. Just play with those settings to get your desired look of the character that you guys are aiming for. Now let's move on to the heads section. Now here, just like before, we have the blend option with 3 more options: transform, sculpt, teeth and eyelashes. Let's go to the sculpt option, and here you guys will see these small dots on the face of your character that you guys can tweak to change some details of your character. The transform mode does the same thing, but the sculpt mode is used for small details and the transform is for the bigger changes. Now let's move on to the teeth and eyelashes option, and here we also have some presets of the eyelashes that we can use. Now let's move on to the materials section. Here we have the body texture index that we can use to change the texture of our character. We have a face index texture option too that we can use to change the texture of our character's face. And we also have the skin tone color that you guys can use to change the color of your character's skin. Next we have the freckles section. This lets you add or adjust the freckles on your character's face. Next is the accent section. Here you can select parts of your face like cheeks, ears, forehead, nose, lips, etc. and change their redness, saturation and lightness. Next come to the eyes section, and here we have a bunch of presets that we can use on our character's eye. Next we have the teeth and eyelashes option, and we have the makeup option. Here you can select different presets, colors or whatever you guys want, lips. And then let's come to the hair and clothing section. Here we also have preset of the hairs that we can use. To apply a preset, double click on any of these presets to apply it. Now to change the color of the hair or anything that you guys want, come to the details option. and here search for anything that you guys want. In my case, I want to change the color of my hair, so I am going to the hair option, and here just select the color, and I'm going to set the colors to black. Now before finalizing the MetaHuman, come here to download texture and download 4K resolution texture over here. If you guys want, you guys can download the texture in 8K, 2K or anything that you guys want. Now it will start downloading the texture. Once the download is completed, then click on create full rig. Now make sure your computer have minimum 16 or 32 GB RAM. Otherwise, if you guys are creating full rig, Unreal Engine can crash. The process is finished, then click on assemble and then assemble again. Once that's done, come to your content browser, MetaHuman, then test, and here you guys will see your character, right? You guys can drag and drop or extract it, and or if you guys want, you guys can export it as an FBX and use it in Blender, Maya or any other software that you guys want. Now if you guys want me to create a tutorial on clothing, or if you guys want a tutorial on how to create a MetaHuman of your own self, let me know in the comment section and I'll make one. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys have learned something, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.